What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of SV Thunder Road. We are out here at the Shoot Dang Ranch at the shop. We're doing some major destruction today. We're gonna take this and turn it into this using nothing but that. Get to work, y'all. All right, what's happening, everybody? We are back here in the shop today, and we are gonna be having some fun with this jackhammer right here.
That's right.
And we're gonna be taking out these concrete blocks here.
Yeah.
We don't know why their concrete blocks are here in the first place.
We're guessing it was old pump house or something, but we don't know for sure. But
Yeah.
I know they don't need to be here.
We want to be able to get trailers and get vehicles in here.
We need to be able to drive all
get all the way through.
This is blocking.
So you can see we got the entrance. Yeah, these two are definitely in the way.
Yeah, and we gotta clean up the rest of it.
We'll be doing that as well. So it's gonna be a two-man job. We're gonna have one on the jackhammer, one cleaning. Yeah, we're gonna make some progress happen.
Hey,
all right, y'all.
hey, we're gonna get to work.
Here we go.
Hey, make this go properly.
Jacket's coming off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting the feel for it.
So first time ever jackhammering.
First time ever jackhammer.
And so if anyone's wondering, that's a Harbor Freight. I don't remember the model or anything, but it's pretty good, as you guys can tell. Dude, you're putting some damage on it.
It's fun.
Are your hands
It's
hurting
exhausting. Yeah, it's a little exhausting.
Yeah,
But
shoot.
you gotta let the jackhammer do the work for you.
Yeah. Oh man, you're making good progress. Heck yeah. Shoot, did some good damage. My rod was tired. Oh, there ain't no better feeling when you see it just starting to vibrate out. It's like, oh. Woo. My rod was numb.
making some progress on the concrete block. Not much left of it.
That'd take me probably 2 days by myself to get to that point. I mean, it's over with.
What do you think? An hour we'll probably have this done? Like,
Yeah.
30 minutes each? We're curious if anybody knows why there's like these old paint cans on all these corners and not on every single one of them. If anybody knows what these are for, that'd be really cool. Shop is starting to look much nicer. This guy is almost out of here.
Yeah. Shoot, once we cleaned it, we saw the real progress. Make me feel good about it.
Fourth quarter, baby.
Yeah.
Getting her done. All right.
Freaking top on.
Done, baby.
Heck yeah. Feels good seeing that. Talk about getting work done.
I may have to invest in one of these Harbor Freight jackhammers just for the fun.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. What do you think about this? Huh?
It's crazy. I have worked for a year to get to this point where we can actually start seeing the potential, and I spent days and days working on the other pillar, on this pillar. It was pretty much the same size or maybe even a little smaller, and it took me days by myself, and then I started working on the one over there and it took forever. I kind of lost hope, you know, just one man trying to do this, and then Brandon comes out in a couple hours, we knocked this sucker out. So
That's right. And we did it with these hands right here. Yeah. Little help from a jackhammer.
a little bit, but I'll say this, you guys, when Brandon was here last time, everyone kept commenting, you need work boots. Boy, did you put those boots to work.
I did. Check these out, man.
You put them to work.
These babies are dirty.
Yeah. Literally, it's a year in the making for this, and to see the potential come to life, I cannot thank you enough. Like, I'm pumped to see what happens in this shop.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I mean, it's cool to like finally see. You're gonna be able to get vehicles in and out of here. You're gonna be able to get the trailer in and out of here. The side-by-side's gonna be able to come in.
All sorts of stuff.
Well, you know what I am. I'm pumped.
I'm super pumped, and I sent a picture to Danielle. She is super pumped.
Super duper pumped.
Yeah. I mean, this is, it's mind blowing.
Yeah.
Like, it's awesome. This is a dream come true. Literally a year's vision. It's coming true.
All right, y'all. Well, that's it for today's video. I think Jason and I are gonna have ourselves a little cold beverage.
Oh, I think we earned it.
I think we did.
Again, cannot thank you enough. This is, you've helped me a lot.
Hey man, it's my pleasure. And as always, I love coming out here, and thank you for having me out
Heck
here.
yeah, dude. Thank
More to come. Stay tuned. Until next time, thank you for watching. Are you super pumped, Bandit? Are you super pumped? Bandit's super pumped.
She is, sweet girl. She is needy. Yeah.